He said it's day to day with the effort level stuff. He lifts to see where he's at. I think it's more about what he feels like the next day, more than what he feels like while he's doing something. Because that's the barometer. It's what you feel like, after putting effort in, pushing his body a little bit. So I know he's antsy. He's never been hurt. We all know what that's like. People that have played sports and got hurt. The worst part is just sitting around. And that's somebody that never misses games. It's funny. I had this conversation with my staff. I understand the 65 game rule, but a guy that never misses games for a decade, it bothers me a little bit. This is not somebody that's sitting out. He never sits out. I know he's anxious to get back, and it's a process for him as well.